Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from a picture with PicsArt application. So first thing you have to do, open your PicsArt application, and whenever you open it, you just need to go click this plus button and you just need to pick the picture that containing emoji on it. So here is the picture that I would like to remove, and you just need to take a look on this button feature. Go slide this picture into the left side until you found the shape. And after you find the shape, you just need to click the shape. Now you just need to pick the type of the shape. You can just use these circles, or you can also choose this rectangle one. And after that, you just need to go click this color and go click this color picker and just adjusting the picker into the nearest area with the emoji. And right after that, you just need to drag this into the top of the emoji sections. Adjusting it. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click apply. So that is the way how to remove emoji with the PicsArt application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.